Hello everyone, I am back with another product from the brand called Biling. This solar spotlight outdoor 28 LEDs solar spotlight outdoor is adjustable 2-in-1 IP67 waterproof. This solar powered wall lights landscape spotlights outdoor for a yard garden, walkway, patios, and it comes with the 4-pack. They also offer 2-pack for less price. Okay, so what's the benefits of buying this brand? The specific brand, I would say. So first of all, this light it goes up to 180 degree, and the solar itself it can go around for 330, and also up and down 60 degree. So what am I trying to say here? What I'm trying to say is this product very flexible. Every part can move. And the best part, you don't have to worry about wire, you don't have to do anything with it. All you have to do is install your walkway and walk away. So that charge in a day and turn on the lights. And they also have 2 modes. There's one high lights mode, and that will last 10 hours, and the low lights mode, and that lasts 15 hours. You know what's the other part I really like about this? They include a lot of parts with that one, so you can stick it to the ground or mount the light to the wall. So what comes in the box here? We got 4x solar landscape lights, 4x ground sticks, 12x screws, so you got 3 for each one. It also comes with 4x extension arm, just if you want to use it, that will make it higher, and the user manual. So I just want to mention 2 things. The solar panel can be rotated by 330 degree and adjusted up and down by 60 degree, and the solar light itself can be adjusted up down by 180 degree and rotated by 360 left and right. I just love this light. Thank you, Biling. So let's go outside and install it. This is the screws and the light. Remember I told you there is extension? I am just gonna install the first one with no extension, and the rest of them I'm gonna have an extension on it, just to show you the difference between. As you can see, the minute I just install it, I click the button. That's the button I'm talking about. Just click it for different modes, and here we go, 3 and 1 more and we'll be done. I'm gonna show you what that light can do to my driveway. Let's take a look. Look at that, very bright. See, I love this light. Thank you so much for watching.